Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the video about the Media API stream, how to capture the image from the video on the user browser and how to paste this image to the canvas. So this will be a very short video, but I hope you will enjoy it. If you did, then don't forget to click the like button. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I prepared here. So here you can see I have just a simple HTML page, which holds a div element with a video, a canvas, which is hidden from the user. And then I also have the image object. Here you can see that I have the div element, which holds the buttons to shoot the picture and then to clear the picture. And I also have some CSS styling here, you can see down below. And here you can see I have my JavaScript file in which I'm basically wrapping everything inside an anonymous function to preventing all the values being sneaked outside or just basically to prevent the collision with the values so that they are not accessible from the global scope, right? So here you can see on this line, I'm just creating our placeholder, which will be a placeholder for the image that we will be taking from the video object. Here you can see I'm specifying our width and height of the image and the video. On these lines, I am just accessing all the elements from the HTML page on this side, right? And then over here, I'm basically initializing the streaming to false, and this will be set to true whenever we get the permission from the user to stream the video, right? So here I'm calling the function whenever the window load. So whenever the browser loads, I'm just calling the function run up. And so let me just explain you what this function holds basically. So on this line, I'm accessing the navigator of the user browser, and then I'm also accessing the media devices property and the get user method, which will get the media from the user browser. And so as an argument, I'm passing an object which specified which media I want to get access to from our user. And so the first media will be the video. So I'm calling the video and I'm setting it to true. And then the second one is the audio, which I'm setting to false because I don't need the audio from our user. And what we will get from this one, it is a promise with the stream object. And the stream object will be the video from the user camera, from the person who is on your side. And so when I get this object stream, I'm then setting this stream as a source object to our video element, right? So our video element, which is over here, I'm setting the source of this video object to our stream camera from the user. And after that, I'm just calling the play method, which will play the video and show this video on the page. And whenever there was an error, I'm just console logging this error in the console log. On this line, I'm specifying an event listener, which will be listened to the event whenever the user accepts the streaming the video from his camera, right? So this event is calls can play. So if we get the permission, then this event of this callback will be fired. And so inside this callback, I'm just checking if the streaming is true, and because it will always be false at the very beginning, then this piece of code will be executed at the very first time. And so inside of it, basically I'm changing our height of our image. And so you can see that I'm just taking the video height of the streaming video of the user, and then dividing it by the number of the video width divided by the width that we have specified at the very top of the page. So here you can see the 600, right? And so, for example, if the video height will be 1200 pixels, and then the video width will be around 600, then it will 600 divided by 600 gives 1, and then 1200 pixels divided by 1 is 1200 pixels, right? And so on these lines, I'm also setting the height and the width of the video and the canvas, and here I'm just setting the streaming to true, and I'm basically calling the function clear the picture. And clear the picture is a function that will set it. It will set the placeholder inside our image element, right? So in this element, we are setting the placeholder as the source, and I'm also setting the height and the width of that image object, right? So this is very straightforward, so long. Here you can see I'm just creating two event listeners for our buttons. So the first button, which is responsible for taking the picture, and the second one, which will be responsible for clearing the picture. And so inside the function of the take picture, so whenever the user want to take a picture, we are basically we need to first get the context of the canvas, right? So the canvas is basically hidden from the user, but we have to take the context of it, and then if our width and the height are specified, so this says basically that we have the video object from the user already on the browser, then I am specifying, or I'm setting the width and the height of this canvas, whatever the width and the height are at the current moment. And then I'm also accessing the context of the canvas and the draw image method, which will put our image from the video object. So inside of it, inside of the method, I'm just setting the video, which will be basically the image of our video. All right. The second one and the third one are the 0 and 0 values, which will set the image to the very top left corner of the image, and then also I'm specifying the width and the height of the image inside the canvas, right? But all right, so now we have the canvas with the image of the video object, and so now we have to take this image inside of our canvas and then export it to our image object on our HTML page. And so to do it, we have to basically take our canvas and then convert it to the data URL of image PNG style, and then we have to set the image source to whatever the canvas data is. So here I'm creating the source of the image that is currently in the canvas. And on this line, I'm setting this source of the image inside of the image. And so after that, we will get the screenshot of the video that is currently at the inside the browser. And here I'm just doing an else statement, which will clear the picture and then set the placeholder image to the browser. All right. So that's it, basically. There's nothing more here. So again, here I'm just accessing all the elements. I'm specifying the initial values, the streaming to false, and then whenever the page loads, I'm running the page, the function run up, which basically accesses the media video of the user. We get the stream, and we are setting the stream, or I would say we are putting this stream inside our page, inside the video object, right? After that, if the user accepts the streaming video, then we are setting all the attributes, our height and the width, and then also, excuse me, and they're also setting the attributes of the video in the canvas, and then I'm setting the streaming to the true and then calling the clear picture, which will put the placeholder next to the video on the browser, which I will show you in a moment. And here I'm just creating two event listeners to take the picture and clear the picture, and the take picture and clear picture functions, which again, I need to first get the context of the canvas to draw an image based on the video stream that is currently on our page, right, from the user. So when you get the context, I'm calling the context and the draw image method. And as arguments, I'm passing our video, which will be which plays a role as an image, right, of the video. So the first argument is the image, then the second one and the third one are basically the position where the image starts. So the 0, 0 starts basically at the very top left corner, so it will be this one. And then the width and the height of the image. And here again, I'm just taking the source of the image, right? I'm converting into the image and PNG type, and then I'm setting this source to the image. And here in this function, I'm setting the placeholder and then setting the height and the width of it. So that's it of this this code. Let's take a look at the browser, how it works. So here I'm in the browser. I have to refresh the page. I'm allowing the streaming, so I get the object as well. It's me, and I'm shot the picture. Right. I'm clearing the picture. I'm shooting the picture. Hey, what's up? Right, let's work. All right, so that's it. This is a way that you can take the access to the media stream of the user. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, then put them in the comment section, and I will reply to them. And so, yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.